Hello, this is Rebellion Rotaisiri who is back. I'm going to show you how we can schedule a Congrea class. First, once you are on website, on Congrea website, you will have three tabs. The one for upcoming sessions, recorded sessions, and schedule a session. And you click here for scheduling the session. You will have to add session here. You click on add a session, and uh, you will have a page like this. And if you want to schedule this the starting time for the session, for example, you can I can take 7th no 9th May, for example. I can schedule it at 2 p.m. at 2 p.m. O'clock. It's like this one, and the duration for the session can be 60, or I can have let me take 60 minutes, 60 minutes, and I can have, let me select myself, I will teach. Yeah, if I want that the session can repeat within 1 week, after 1 week or 2 weeks and so on, I can click here. But for the time being, because it's a practice session, I deactivate it and tick this, and after this you can save the changes, and you will have scheduled your class on 7th. And you can see my on my list, on this list, I have 9 May. I will have this session. I thank you very much, and bye bye.